Match column I with column 2I and select the correct option from the codes given below. Column I, Artificial System of Classification, Natural System of Classification, Phylogenetic System of Classification. Column 2I, Bentham and Hooker, Linnaeus, Engler and Prandtl. The correct answer is option A, which is Artificial System of Classification given by Linnaeus. Natural System of Classification is given by Bentham and Hooker, and Phylogenetic System of Classification is given by Engler and Prandtl. Artificial System of Classification were based upon option A, vegetative, option B, Androsium structure, option C, habit and habitat, option D, all of these. The correct answer is option D, which is all of these. Dash system of classification were based on natural affinities among the organism. Option A, artificial, option B, natural, option C, phylogenetic, option C, sexual. The correct answer is option B, which is natural. Select the incorrect pair. Option A, numerical taxonomy, all observable characteristics. Option B, cytotaxonomy, cytological information. Option C, chemotaxonomy, chromosome number and structure. Option D, cladistic taxonomy, origin from an common ancestor. The correct answer is option C, which is chemotaxonomy, chromosome number and structure. This one is incorrect pair, because chemotaxonomic, which is based on the biochemical characteristics, not chromosome number and structure. Which out of the following are included under Tracheophyta? That means vascular plant. Option A, pteridophyte. Option B, gymnosperm. Option C, angiosperm. Option D, all of these. The correct answer is option D, which is all of these. Match column I with column 2I and select the correct option from the codes given below. Column I, A, non-vascular cryptogam. B, vascular cryptogam. C, phanerogam. Column 2I, I, gymnosperm and angiosperm. 2I, pteridophyte. 3rd I, algae and bryophyte. The correct answer is option A, which is non-vascular cryptogam are algae and bryophyte. Vascular cryptogam are pteridophyte, phanerogam, gymnosperm and angiosperm. System of classification that employ numerical data to evaluate similarities and difference is known as option A, cytotaxonomy. Option B, biosystematics. Option C, phonetics. Option D, chemotaxonomy. The correct answer is option C, which is phonetics. Artificial system gave equal weightage to vegetative and sexual characteristics. This is not applicable because often these characters are more easily affected by environment. Option A, vegetative. Option B, sexual. Option C, anatomical. Option D, physiological. The correct answer is option A, which is vegetative. The vegetative characters are easily affected by environment. Natural system of classification take into consideration option A, morphological and anatomical character. Option B, cytological and embryological characters. Option C, physiological and reproductive character. Option D, all of these. The correct answer is option D, which is all of these. Dash classification system were based on evolutionary relationship between various organisms. Option A, natural. Option B, artificial. Option C, phylogenetic. Option D, both A and B. The correct answer is option C, which is phylogenetic. Phylogenetic classification system were based on evolutionary relationship between various organisms. A system of classification in which a large number of traits are considered as is option A artificial system, option B phylogenetic system, option C synthetic system, option D natural system. The correct answer is option D, which is natural system. Natural system of classification differ from artificial system in option A employing only one floral trait, option B employing only one vegetative trait, option C bringing out similarities and dissimilarities, option D developing evolutionary trend. The correct answer is option C, which is bringing out similarities and dissimilarities. Plant classification as proposed by Carlos Linnaeus was artificial because it was based on option A only a few morphological characters, option B all the possible characters, option C anatomical characters which are adaptive in nature, option D physiological and morphological characters. The correct answer is option A, which is only a few morphological characters. Each character is given equal importance and at the same time hundreds of characters can be considered in option A cytotaxonomy, option B morphotaxonomy, option C chemotaxonomy, option D numerical taxonomy. The correct answer is option D, which is numerical taxonomy.